There's something really special about the energy of the land. And we're here at Rewild the Adventure, setting up a community which is focusing on experiences in nature and education.
We started in September Montessori Space for children aged 2 to 7 years old.
And here we have the Dragonfly Explorers, which is from sort of 7 years to 12 years.
So since they arrive in the morning, they have freedom of choice, the different activities they want to do.
The idea is for them to explore nature and at the same time learn about the skills of being in the forest. So you see, with this here, the pressure coming down, nope, oh, okay. It's very much children-led, so they also control the space. We bought the land in 2017, a couple of months before the big fires. That changed our entire idea of what we were going to do here. We made a bold decision to do a lot of re-landscaping, removing highly flammable trees, which in the area is primarily eucalyptus as well as pine. We're replacing them with a lot more cork oak trees, madroño trees, and these trees themselves are much more resistant to fires. And if we're going to change the way we interact with nature, it starts with the next generation, and that starts with education.